From the heart of the wild to the precision of modern industry, this is where ancient patterns. Today, we explore how advanced labs create sustainable, synthetic tiger pattern material without harming a single animal.
Welcome to our materials lab. Today, I'll show you exactly how synthetic tiger pattern leather becomes luxury travel bags.
Check the grain on this section, it looks inconsistent.
I see it. The color accuracy is good, but the texture needs improvement.
Each sheet is reinforced using ecopolymer blends for long-lasting luxury. Precision robotics form every curve with flawless consistency.
We have a pressure anomaly on the main line.
I see the spike. Adjusting the spray cycle sequence.
Every bag undergoes strict quality testing before packaging.
And that's how synthetic tiger pattern leather becomes luxury travel gear trade, from start to finish.